Hello everyone, you're welcome again to my channel. I'm happy to have you. My name is Engineer Ladan Bashni John, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Guess what? Can anybody guess it? We're going to talk about digitalizing your business or digitalizing business. Digitalizing business. Very simple. Now, there are two words here, digital and business. Let's break it down. Digital, what does it mean? It simply means dealing, it simply means, all right. It simply means, yeah, let's make it fun. Yeah, digital simply simply means anything related to computer system, both the hardware and the software. Listen, and then you can take it further with internet. That is digital. I want to make this thing as simple as possible. Let's not be using big words and get ourselves confused. That's the idea. Then, business, you already know what is business. Business is an interaction between, let's see, two people or more, or interaction between one company and another company, or companies between companies for exchange of services. All right? For mutual benefits, maybe for financial benefits, or for technical benefits, or for serviceability benefit, and things like that, where this one gains and the other gains. Nobody loses. That is business. Okay, now there could be further definitions, but I want to put it in the context of this discussion today. So now back to the topic. What is digitalizing a business? For example, if you have a business, maybe a company. Hey, listen, come closer, come closer. Don't get confused. When it comes, listen, even if you're selling akara, even if you're selling akara, are you hearing me? If you're selling akara, that akara that you're selling consistently, with you and other people assisting you, could be your daughter, it could be your son, it could be someone assisting you. Listen, that's already a company. But what makes it a company in that sense? What gives it that integrity, that name, that legality? It is when you register that your akara business, then it makes it a company. Then it has a name, and it is guided by legalities that a company should be guided by. And this time around, it's a small company. Now listen, I will make videos on so many things, that is categories of companies, okay? Where you have the big and the small and things like that. So, but here we're just talking about digitalizing your business. Now listen, now imagine you have that company, or that akara that you're selling, or that chicken business, or that vegetable you're selling, or that zobo you are selling, that kunu you are selling, that provision, that shop you have. If you have it and you're now able to make a short video of it, are you hearing me? And post that video on your WhatsApp status, and you do that consistently, you are already digitalizing your business. Listen, why? Because there will be some people that may never come to your shop physically, but we get in touch with you via the WhatsApp and make requests for your product and to pay for it. And when you do that, You're already getting customers from different sources. One, those that will come, though they have not seen your video that you've posted about your business on WhatsApp or Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube, they will come to buy. Those that will come because they see it. Those that will still come, that though they have not seen anything. So you are already digitalizing your business. All right? So it's as simple as it is. Now, I will also urge you to stay tuned because we're going to look at different platforms where you can digitalize your business. There are many. You take advantage of it, and I tell you, you will do better. You will do better. On this channel, I don't want to make things too academic, too sophisticated. I want to make this thing so simple. This is are simple, people. Okay, I want to make it so simple. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Okay, if you do not learn anything, just tell me where I've gone wrong. Okay, and if there's something you want to add, go to the comment section, put that thing down for me. And if you also like it, give it a like, make a comment. And if you find it valuable, that's going to help someone, please share. Thank you for listening. God bless you, and bye-bye.